start again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. So I showed you these in my last video, these Rosalind. If you didn't see it, these are jelly poly what jelly polygel colours. So they're colours but they're transparent. I'm going to give them a quick swatch because I want to do something with them, but I need to see how strong the colours are, how transparent they are. And I also got this set of 6 gel polishes from Rosalind. I'm going to give them a quick swatch. I'm going to put the gel polishes on swatch sticks, but the polygel I'm just going to put a little blob on here because they are small tubes. I don't really want to be filling up, you know, 6 swatch sticks. It's a waste. So shall we just do the gel polish first? So yeah, this is a set of 6. They are 15ml bottles. I will leave the link, of course, to all these products in my description box. So I'm not going to do them in any particular order. Let's just get on with it, shall we? Just going to do a quick swatch video today, guys, and I'll do something with the polygel, I think, in my next video. So this glittery one is a really fine pink metallic, and it's got tiny silver hex in there as well. It's really nice, actually. So I'll probably do 2 coats of this glittery one. Oh, this is so sparkly. It's the first thing I've noticed. It's really sparkly glitter. I like it. Really sparkly glitter. That's cute, isn't it? Yeah, I'll give that a second coat in a minute, but how sparkly is that? Super sparkly glitter, that. It's a nice one. So these cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this next one is a purple. These are numbered, actually. That glittery one was C036. This purple is C012. I tried Rosalind gel polish for the first time a couple of months ago, and I was really impressed with them, actually. Really nice, really creamy, really opaque. This is a really nice purple colour. It's like a corky, kind of dusty purple, isn't it? I really like it. That's a really thin coat as well. Oh, these are beautiful to use. These are really nice. Isn't that a nice colour? I like it. I'm sorry about my croaky throat as well, guys. I've got a bad throat at the minute. So this yellow is C002. I remember showing you this in my haul video. It's a really nice yellow. Oh, I think I've got a discount code as well for Rosalind. I'll leave it in my description box if I have. Yeah, this is a nice, like pastel yellow, isn't it? Yeah, that's really nice and opaque as well. Oh, I knew it was too good to be true. Doing 2 whole swatch sticks with no dust, don't think so. Nice pastel yellow. It's quite bright pastel yellow, actually. Like it. Right, so I'm just going to fly through these last 3 ones now. Did I tell you the number to this? C002. So this is a pink, C005. Right, guys, that's them all swatched. I love this nude. Look at them together. Aren't they just beautiful together? Them colours. I love them colours together. And that maybe, but yeah, love them. I love claws, that colour. I just, yeah. But yeah, that's them. I like this purple as well. It's a really like it's different kind of purple, isn't it? I like them all. I think it's a really nice set of colours. I really like them. I don't know why, but I always have to look at them that way up. Yeah, these two are my favourite, definitely. That glitter one's a nice one as well. That's just 2 coats and it's jam-packed. Can you see the little silver hex in it? Yeah, that's a cute one. That'd be nice just to do a glitter fade over these. It would. But yeah, I like them. Right, guys, shall we give these jelly polygels a quick swatch? I'm dying to see them. So let me get them open, and I'm just going to put a quick blob on there, on that lint-free white. Right, so yeah, we've got yellow. I don't know if that's orange or red. Yellow, orange, green, purple, pink, blue. So let's have a nosy at them, shall we? So yeah, they are 15mm. I think, don't quote me, but I think they do sell these in 30mm as well. Oh, I like that. They come off easy. Pain in the arse they are normally. So this is the yellow. I hope they're not really pale jellies. I hope they've got some sort of colour to them at least. They have. Look at that. That's a nice bright jelly yellow. So far so good. Then we've got orange or red, I'm not sure. I might have to cure these as we go because it's so hot. Oh, it's, I'd say that's an orange. Yeah, I'd say that's an orange. I'm really liking how strong these colours are. Oh, see, that's a strong colour as well. Yeah, I really like these. This purple looks nice. Wow, look at that. It's a deep purple. But they are crystal clear. They're not milky or foggy. They look so nice. Right, let's try the pink. They have merged together, but it's alright. You can still see them, can't you? It's so hot. Oh wow, look at that pink. That's cute. I have never ever used or done a design with jelly polygels. Never. Oh wow, look at the blue as well. These are nice, aren't they? Look at that purple. Right, I'm just going to cure them just so I can keep them for my future reference. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to... I really wanted to swatch these jelly polygels because I want to use them, but I can't think of what to do with them until I see the colours. So now I can go away, have a think what to do with them, and come back and get on with it. So that is them there. I'm really happy with them. They're really strong colours, aren't they? That blue and pink's maybe a bit pale compared to the others. But yeah, I really like them. I like them a lot. So that's the polygel colours and that's the gel polish colours. I will leave the links below, and if I've got a discount code I'll leave that below as well. Love these. I love this whole set as a set of 6 actually. But yeah, anyway guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and hopefully see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.